Hi friends, welcome back to another informative video. In this video, I am explaining about a static GK topic, that is major intelligence agencies of the world and their corresponding countries. Intelligence agency and their corresponding country. Research and Analysis Wing RAW, Intelligence Bureau IV, Central Bureau of Investigation CBI is situated in India. Central Intelligence Agency CIA, Federal Bureau of Investigation FBI is in USA. Military Intelligence MI, National Crime Agency NCA in UK. Inter Services Intelligence ISI in Pakistan. Mossad in Israel. NICO in Japan. Mukhbarat in Egypt. General Security Directorate in Iraq. BND in Germany. KGB and GRU in Russia. General Directorate of External Security in France. Directorate General of Forces Intelligence DGFI in Bangladesh. Ministry of State Security China. State Intelligence Service SIS in Sri Lanka. National Directorate of Security NDS in Afghanistan. Information and Security Agency in Italy. This topic is very important for all competitive examination. Listen carefully and study well. I think this video is informative for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. Now goodbye and Jai Hind.